In this video, we'll show you why using your multimeter in this setting is dangerous. So guys, last night I was a monumental idiot. I made the basic error. We were testing ampage. I had my leads in the common ground in the 10 amp port, as you should. And I didn't put them back to the voltage setting and swap my lead over to the voltage setting after I was finished. And why was that a mistake? Because next time I picked the meter up, I didn't look. I just assumed it was on voltage, as I always leave it, and I banged it across the terminals on the battery. What happened? I popped the fuse on my ammeter. So now I'm going to show you how to change the fuse. I'm hoping it is behind that little cover right here. I'm also hoping find a little screwdriver and get the bolt out. That's the battery to power it, not a fuse. And the good news is, it does say on the back that it should be able to take a fuse in it. You've just got to put the correct amp rating in. So take out a couple more screws then. Nice. Nice how they put a rating on the fuse, eh? Okay, that was a dickhead comment. If you read up on there, that says 500 milliamp. Let's be honest, the camera is not going to focus on something that small. Use your eyeballs. Also down there, check we're actually on camera. Down here, F0.5A. 500 milliamps is 0.5 amps. So that's that one. I'm going to say that's not the fuse we popped. I'm going to say that's that bad boy. And underneath, that's 10 amps. And 10 amps written on there. So I'm going to have to go and find another 10 amp fuse of that variety. Ooh! Actually pop the end cap so it's not. No, who knows? I'm not going to dissect that any further. But we need a 10 amp fuse. So I'll go to the shop and grab one of them. I'll probably grab one from work because that's easier. But if you've got this far, you'll be able to stick the back on. Bang some screws back in. Battery, screw. Got one working multimeter again. Hope you found this little video useful, and I hope it's kept your multimeter alive, especially if you've done stupid things to it, like connect it across a battery in the multimeter, in the amperage setting, and popped your fuse. But I hope this proves to show that you don't need to throw away your multimeter, you just need to buy another fuse. So if this video has helped you out, please comment, share, subscribe, all the above. and we'll see you next time. Until then, peace.